Alright, here we have a little product review. This was sent out to me by GLTECK. There is going to be a Amazon link in the description of the video. I'm not being paid to make this video. I'm not being paid to sell it. I'm not being paid to promote it, but they did contact me and they sent this to me for a video product review type showcase. I really like the packaging off the get-go. Other products that I've gotten from other companies in terms of mouse pads and desk mats, they usually come in like a clear shrink wrap cellophane type thing, generic, whatever. This actually comes in like a little cinch bag, which I gotta admit is really nice. This is a extended mouse pad with stitched edges, super large gaming mouse pad, extremely smooth surface, soft feeling material, waterproof and washable, eco-friendly, non-toxic. We get an extended large GLTECK mouse pad and a carrying bag. We promise our product with high-level quality. Contact us if you have any problems. And they got a couple of different designs. The one that they sent me was, I think, is just a regular black XXL one. So the link to this one will be down below in the description and in the pinned comment. Feel free to check it out. I think I looked at it before I got it in the mail, and it's actually very good priced. So we're gonna open it up here. That is upside down. There we go. So yeah, you can see it's nice and long. Black with red trim. Has their GLTECK logo in the top right corner. I don't know if they have like designed ones or not, but I know you can get black with black trim. You can get black with red trim. This is actually decently long. It's about a foot, maybe 14 inches in height, and oh boy, 3 feet in length, maybe 32, 36 inches. Pretty good size for a desk pad, mouse pad. The one that I have off to the side is a little bit taller, but my monitor sits on it, and so does the keyboard and mouse. So this one would be more suited for like your monitor behind it. Keyboard here, mouse here, plenty of room. Looks good. And it comes with a bag. I'm actually pretty pleased with this. I personally am not going to be using this one though. I'm going to hand it off to my wife, let her use it, because she does not have a desk mat, and I currently do. But again, product link is in the description. I'm not being paid to sell it. I'm not being paid for the video. For any YouTube executives watching, that is my disclaimer. But they have a couple different sizes and styles, really competitively priced. And from the time that they shipped it out to me and the time that I received it was 2 days, 3 days, 2 days. It's pretty quick, and it came from Amazon. So yeah, that's the GLTECK XXL gaming desk mouse pad product showcase. I will be sending them a link to this video just so that way they can watch it too, and if they want to send me any more stuff, you know, I'm more than happy to do more product showcases. It's been a while since I've done a product showcase, so yeah, I'm gonna put this over on the desk over there for my wife to use. And yeah, check them out. And they have a money back guarantee too, so there's no risk in it. Thank you for watching. Quick little review I'll be back with another video.